Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look. Let's get talking and listening and get practicing with the British English ASMR with tea. So let's look at some unusual articles. Let's look at some unusual things in the world. Let's have a look. So, Burning Mountain, a straightforwardly named mountain that has been on fire for 6,000 years. How? 6,000 years? I see no fire there. Burning Mountain, the common name for Mount Wigan, is a hill near Wigan, New South Wales, Australia, north of Sydney, just off the New England Highway. It takes its name from a smouldering coal seam running underground through the sandstone. Burning Mountain is contained within the Burning Mountain Nature Reserve. Okay. So there's something underground that's burning. Wow. Coal seam fire. The underground fire is estimated to be a depth of around 30 meters, 100 feet. It is estimated that the fire has burned for approximately 6,000 years and is the oldest known coal fire. European explorers and settlers in the area believed the smoke coming from the ground was volcanic in origin. It was not until 1829 that geologist Reverend C.P.N. Wilton identified it as a coal seam fire. The fire is generally moving in a southwardly direction of a rate of 1 meter, 3 feet per year. The combustion has caused soil discoloration and an uneven ground surface in the area. Really? Sounds interesting. Really? Wow. Oh. Wow. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Right. So continuous fire. Wow. Oh. Wow. Okay. So fire that just keeps moving south. Wow. Okay. Let's have a look. Egmont National Park. The national park's boundaries created a circular forest. A circular forest. What is this? Okay. So Egmont National Park, located south of New Plymouth, close to the west coast of North Island of New Zealand. The park covers Mount Taranaki and its slopes. The park was first created in 1881 as a forest reserve and went on to become New Zealand's second national park in 1900. The forest reserve was created within a 6-mile or 9.6 kilometer radius around the cone of the dormant volcano. Areas encompassing the older volcanic remnants of Puwaki and Keitaki were later added to the reserve in the northwest side. The forest is surrounded on all sides by pasture, giving a distinctly circular shape. Wow! So this nature park is almost a perfect circle with a mountain in the middle. That is pretty cool. I wonder how long it would take to walk around it. That's an adventure. Okay. Let's have a look. Hello, Hunga Tonga. Is it Hunga Tonga, an island that was created in 2015 after a volcano erupted between 2 islands and connected them? Whoa. Hunga Tonga Ha'apa is a volcanic island located about 30 kilometers, 19 miles, southwest of Whanufou Island in Tonga. The volcano is part of the highly active Tonga Kermadec Islands volcanic arc, a subductive zone extending from the New Zealand northeast to Fiji. It lies about 100 kilometers, 62 miles, above a very seismic zone. The island arc is formed at the convergent boundary where the Pacific Plate conducts under the Indo-Australian Plate. So, a volcano. Oh, okay, I think I see it. A volcano erupted and connected the two. Really? The volcano itself is a submarine volcano that breached sea level in 2009 due to a volcanic eruption and lies underwater between the two islands, Hunga Tonga and Hunga Ha'apai, which are the remnants of the western and northern rim of the volcano's caldera. The two islands are about 1.6 kilometers or 0.99 miles apart, and each is about 2 kilometers long, composed largely of andesite. Hunga Tonga reaches an elevation of 190 meters. Okay, neither island is developed due to a lack of acceptable anchorage, although there are large guano deposits on each island. Guano? What is that? Oh, okay, right. The excrement of seabirds and bats used as fertilizer. I thought so. Wow, yeah, look at that. Okay, alright then, fair play. Okay, let's look at one more. Jellyfish Lake. Wow, Jellyfish Lake. A lake where jellyfish have evolved without stingers due to a natural lack of predators. Wow. Wow, really? Oh. Jellyfish Lake is a marine lake located on Eli Malik Island in Palau. Jellyfish Lake is connected to the ocean through fissures and tunnels in the limestone of ancient Miocene Reef. However, the lake is sufficiently isolated and the conditions are different enough that the diversity of species in the lake is greatly reduced from the nearby lagoon. The golden jellyfish and possibly other species in the lake have evolved to be substantially different from their close relatives living in the nearby lagoons. Oh, that is pretty cool. Wow. Wow. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, but how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.